Hello everybody, heartily welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to teach you the common error, the word accomplish. So you can say this video is about the grammatical error, but it is a common error of British English. So the word is accomplish. So I'm giving here two examples to explain you. The first example is to accomplish world unity we need peace. So you can see here I use the to accomplish the word accomplish. So this is a grammatical error. So what is the right answer? To achieve world unity. To achieve world unity. This achieve, because the meaning of accomplish and the word achieve is the meaning the same. The meaning is the same meaning. The meaning is the same. So, but accomplish or the achieve meanings are same, but it's a bit different. So to achieve the world unity we need peace. The second example, the balanced diet is accomplished by eating many different kinds of food. So you can see here I use here the accomplish. The balanced diet, so this is a grammatical mistake or common error. So don't use the accomplish. To balance diet is to achieved by eating many different kinds of food. So don't use achieved, this one. Now I'm explaining you the where you can use the word accomplish and where you would use the achieve. When you use the accomplish, meaning when you use accomplish, it is accomplish is something you manage to do it or complete it. It is the meaning, especially something that you give gives you a satisfaction. You manage to do it, you manage to do it or complete it. This is the meaning, especially something that you gives you satisfactionally. Give it to gives you satisfaction. To gives you satisfaction. This is the meaning of accomplishment. What is the meaning of the achieve? The meaning of achieve, when you achieve something you manage to do or obtain what have planned to do or obtain, especially after lots of effort, you manage to do or obtain. You manage to do or obtain what you have planned to do. What you have planned to do or obtain. This is the meaning of achieve, the same meaning, but it is not a actually same to same meaning. Accomplish meaning you manage to do it or complete it to give you a satisfaction, when which you give you a satisfaction. And achieve meaning is you manage to do or obtain what you have planned to do or obtain. So first example, the accomplish, she felt that she could accomplish more through journalism. During his 6 years as Prime Minister, he accomplished very little. Because the you managed to do or complete it to give you a satisfaction. Because the Prime Minister, he accomplished very little during his 7 years of service as a president. He accomplished very little. This is a first example where you can use the word accomplish. And the second, achieve. The company intends to achieve all these goals within the next 5 years. By the age of 30, she had already achieved her ambition. By the age of 30, she had already achieved her ambition. So you can use the achieve her ambition means manage to do or obtain what you have planned, what she planned. This is called the meaning of achieve. Here you can see the note that the achieve is also used to meaning accomplish. By the end of the course, you will feel that you have really achieved something. At the end of the course, you will feel that you really achieved something. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.